bangga. Ay, utod.
Triangle. Hello guys, iluluto ako ng ginisang gulay na may sotanghon at corn tuna. Ayan, niniluto ko ngayon guys. Mixed veggies guys, pechay, carrots, and bagyo beans. Yan, gusto ko to guys, favorite ko to talaga yung mixed veggies na ulam, hindi ginigisa. So yan, our ulam for dinner.